Today we are going to learn how to do a basic search with Alexandria. So remember, this is our search station we see on the computer when we want to search for books. We can search by author, title, series of books, subjects, or we can use a search from all of those types: subject, series, title, and author. We're also able to explore books for the most popular books used in the library. This will help us see what our friends are reading. We can see the new books that were recently added to the library, or we can search for award-winning books, especially if our teacher wants us to do a project on a book that has been given an award. Ebooks, we'll talk about this in a later screencast. So to do our basic search, remember, we click in the top box what we're searching for. So if we want to find a book on space, if we start to type the word space, and we're not sure if space has the letter C or the letter S, you can see underneath where I'm starting to type the word, there is some spelling help. Space out, spaceport, spaceship, or just simply space. I can click on the word that I want. From there, and I can use the scroll bar to look through and find a book that interests me. I am able to change the view of the display. I can choose to look at cover art. If a book has a picture with it, I can see the picture of the book. Be careful not to choose a book only based on the cover, though. I can also go back and look at a brief description or details of the book. Space, the author, Sarah Powell, the location of the book in our library, or I can look at the details of the book. I just clicked on details. From here, I can read a brief description of the book, see the book, and I can choose if I want to read that book or not. To close out of this screen, I simply click on the red circle with the X in the corner. If I'm interested in this book on space, I need to copy down the location of the book. This book is 520 POW. The POW are the first three letters of the author's last name. The 520 represents the number in the Dewey Decimal System. I need to find 520 on the shelves in the library. Remember, they're in order starting from 100 to 900. Then, after I find 520, then I look for the letters. Don't forget to write this down, because you will need to reset the search for the next person who uses the search station. Thank you for using the search station. Good luck finding your